We'll guide you through how to make Bitmoji with Selfie on Snapchat. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Many users search for this tutorial because some people are new to Snapchat and do not know how to set up an avatar, while others want to update their appearance, improve customization, or use Bitmoji features like stickers, stories, and Snap Map interactions. Open the Snapchat app on your smartphone or tablet and log into your account using your email address, username, or phone number. After signing in, wait for the Snapchat camera screen to fully load on your device before continuing. Tap your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen to open your Snapchat profile page and access your account features. If you do not already have a Bitmoji connected to your account, tap the Create My Bitmoji option to begin the setup process. Snapchat may ask for permission to access your device camera, so allow the permission request to continue. Next, select the gender you prefer for your Bitmoji character. Position your face clearly inside the selfie camera frame so Snapchat can properly scan your appearance. Make sure the area around you has enough lighting because bright lighting helps the selfie scan work more accurately. Wait a moment while Snapchat analyzes your selfie and creates avatar suggestions based on your facial features. Tap the Continue button when prompted to take a selfie for the Bitmoji creation process. After a new tab appears, press the Make Edit option to customize your avatar further. Adjust facial features such as your hairstyle, eye shape, eyebrows, nose, skin tone, and other details if needed. Continue by choosing clothing styles, accessories, and hairstyle options that match your personal preferences for the Bitmoji character. Once you finish customizing the avatar, preview the completed Bitmoji carefully before saving any changes. Tap the Save or Done button to connect the Bitmoji avatar directly to your Snapchat account. Finally, return to your Snapchat profile page and confirm that the Bitmoji now appears as your Snapchat avatar. You can continue editing your Bitmoji later if you want to change clothing, hairstyles, or facial features in the future. Keeping your Bitmoji updated can help personalize your Snapchat profile and make your account look more unique when chatting with friends, sending snaps, or appearing on the Snapchat map.